What's your name, man?
My name is Colton Blackie. We're working at Murphy's Berry Farm.
And we got the young ladies who's all shy and everything. What's your name?
Caitlin Stritch.
Caitlin. Guys,
awesome.
you guys got a good setup back there, man.
Thank you. They're good
But
too,
between
right?
you and I probably eat more strawberries than what I put in the basket there, man. I eat a ton of strawberries. But check it out, Caribbean Pot on Instagram as well as on YouTube. My website as well, CaribbeanPot.com.
All right.
But I put recipes on there, but the actual video that I'm doing with you guys, featuring you guys right now, it's gonna be on YouTube.com/CaribbeanPot.
Alrighty.
Alright, take it easy, alright?
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, man. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click. So I'm here at Murphy's Country Produce, and we're gonna do some pick your own strawberries, and those are the prices and stuff like that. I'm just gonna grab a basket off the young lady over here. And how much are the baskets?
$2.50 for the paper and $3.50 for the wood.
May I have the wood? Can I pay for it when I come back out, or do I pay
No,
for it
you're
now?
supposed to pay for the baskets now.
Okay.
And then you could pay for the strawberries. So it'd be $17 on the way out.
On the okay, so together it is what, $20 or something?
So 17 and $3.50, so $20 each.
50 cents. Oh,
So you could pay the 17 on the way out.
okay.
Sorry, I'm just taking.
So I guess we're heading up to the tent area up there where the young lady said. And this farm has a lot of different things. Pick your own. I remember going to the website. I'll link the website on the video here. They usually have like squash and beans and all these different things. But these are probably, that looks like cabbage or something. I don't even know. I shouldn't be guessing. Pretty big farm out there. Oh boy. Do I want to go in the sun? Yo, it's about 33 degrees out there. Look at them, they're all picking up their strawberries and la-di-da-di. Let's go talk to those chicas over there. Where are all the good strawberries at?
Oh, I'll show you. You're lucky. We just started this patch.
Okay.
So it's the first time it's being picked for the season.
Is it nice and sweet though?
Yeah, they are really sweet. They're really big too
Oh, okay.
because of all the rain we've had.
Yeah.
Kind of works in our favor that way.
How many acres do you think you have of strawberries here?
Of strawberries?
Mhm.
I couldn't even guess. The thing is, they like these patches are new that they planted,
Oh, okay.
and then the old ones essentially they do kind of like a crop rotation. But I'm not really sure. You're gonna be in the one that I'm in.
Okay. I'm just
Yeah.
walking up the center here.
You fell in one basket.
The funny thing is I don't even like strawberries.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm doing it for the video.
Do you like YouTube? Or...
I am on YouTube.
Oh, cool.
So I'm showing people the experience.
Oh, amazing. Awesome. So you'll be in the lane that I'm in.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna work your way up from this pink flag down towards the white flag.
Both ones or?
Sorry, just the lane I'm in. So you pick on half. So you'll pick on half of this one
Mhm.
and half of this one,
Okay.
and you'll work your way towards the white flag with the pink flag.
Mm-hmm.
Wherever you finish picking, basically, you just plant it back in the ground so we know how far you picked.
Okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
it just ensures that we didn't, no one picks over each other.
Mm-hmm.
But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or fashion tips, please let me know.
Fashion tips, eh?
Fashion tips.
Okay. Thank you
But
so much.
Anyways, let us know if you need anything.
All
Here
right.
in this one right here. Have a good time.
You take care. Now it's about 7 p.m. The sun is going out. It's still pretty hot. So if you plan on coming, what I would, baseball cap or a hat of some sort, light clothing, maybe sunblock, and maybe water. And I would recommend bringing water because you can wash the berries as you pick them. And you can see here, if we go down inside here, there's some nice, where's the camera? Some nice big berries in there. So the boys just gonna be in here picking. See? Blue sky is basket, man. Are they sweet?
Yeah,
they are
I
sweet.
taste
Tried
it.
it.
It's pretty good.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
You can try it as well.
So yeah, you bring your water. In my case, yeah, I really don't care about germs. I'm gonna go in there. I dusted it off quite a bit. There we go. Nicer picture. Oh, geez, on. Is it ever sweet? Wow. Different than the stuff in the grocery store, boy. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, 5 minutes in and I realize there's a bit of work here, boy. Well, I have some already. They're just coming in, and the season has started really late because the spring, it's been a crappy spring for the most part. Ooh, these guys are having fun, eh? Look at them. I should have brought my kids. Let them pick the flicking strawberries. I don't know if you guys heard when the young lady was explaining what's going on. So the white flag up there is as far as I can go, picking on half of this row and on the inside of this row and on the inside of this row and the inside of this row. I'm taking this pink flag with me, and wherever I stop, so you see in certain areas, you see the pink flags, it means that's where people picked until. According to her, this was a new row that she just started, so I'm working my way up to the white flag. That's as far as I can go, and wherever I reach, now my basket is almost full, so I may just reach maybe a couple more, I don't know, a couple more meters or something. I'll stick that in there so the next person who's coming up, I don't think anybody else is coming because they close at 8 p.m. Just got another half an hour. So, little birdie, hey. They will know where to start from. It took about, I don't know, about 40 minutes. I had to stop to take a phone call. But, gotta love my haul, man. Gotta go pay for the bitches now, though. Let's go see what the young ladies say. On the drive back there, I saw corn to the left. I saw tomato, cabbage. What does this look like here? I think when we came in, oh, that's corn. Oh, these are much taller. Just heading back to pay now. So after you pick and eat, I ate quite a bit. Some of them are really sweet, and then in between, like everything else with fruit, you are going to get the tart ones, the sour ones. So small thing, man. So now please keep right. Stop and check. We'll check out. One thing I noticed, there are porta potties everywhere. There's tanks of water to wash your hands and stuff like that. I noticed there's hand sanitizer and soap as well. So it is a nice little setup here. Murphy's, you did good, man. I'll be honest with you, it's a little bit pricey, but it is what it is. That young lady's coming. Hi, I got one of these baskets there. I think it's like, what did you say, $19 or something?
It's 17.
There we go.
Alrighty.
Besides strawberries, what other fruits and vegetables do you guys have usually?
We have this chart that shows everything.
Yeah, and it has like all the dates on the side.
Oh, okay,
That's
that
when
is
they
handy.
First come out. Yeah, they're not exact, but it's just kind of like.
Yeah, because I kept checking the website and the strawberries kept pushing forward because of the bad
Yeah,
weather.
like
right?
we are a little late. Like our peas should be out in about a week, and our raspberries are a little late.
Oh, okay.
Just because of all the rain.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I'll hang on to this one.
Yeah, no problem.
See you back with you.
And there's the sign, Murphy's Country Produce, and there's the website and everything else. So you guys can, if you're in the area, in Southern Ontario, you want to bring your kids out and stuff like that, the staff here are really friendly, man. I love them.